In a significant boost for local entrepreneurship, vendors at Swallows Beach received keys to the vending booths during an official function held at the Pigeon Point Heritage Park Pavilion. The newly established booths not only represent a physical space for vendors to showcase their crafts, but they're also a symbol of economic opportunity in Tobago's tourism sector.
Now what we have is a perfect combination of a space that is creative, it is iconic, and it also allows the vendors here to legalize their trade. So I'm happy that we were able to formally hand over today and that we could now say that we have uplifted the iconic Swallows beachfront. I'm looking forward to the kind of business that would be done coming out of these booths.
The new vending booths are strategically located along Swallows Beach to allow visitors to engage and support the livelihoods of Tobago's artisans.
You know, this helps with the tourism product because it is something now aesthetically pleasing to the eye as you go along one of the more famous beaches here on the island. So this is something now that the tourists and visitors, Trinidad, regionally, internationally, would look forward to coming. But you know, when people see nice things, they are now inquisitive now. They want to explore and see what it has to offer.
As these vendors unlock their spaces, they also unlock new opportunities for growth and cultural exchange.
I feel very happy today about what they've done for us, and it's going to help our business 100% by receiving these booths. They did something that I would say historical. We have never, we always like to say the bottom half of the stick. Today, it feels good to be at least on top for a little while, you know? Yeah, we wasn't expecting it and we got it, and we're not going to let them down. Trust me, we're not going to let them down.
I'm very thankful to Mr. Sampson for everything that he has done for each and every one of us vendors here.
The booths at Swallows Beach mark an important aspect in Tobago's tourism industry, as local vendors can now provide an enhanced visitor experience. I'm Julia James reporting from the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation.